Hello everyone. From today onwards, we will embark on a new journey of learning environmental glossary. So, we shall start with letter A. Let's start. So, our first word is abiotic. It is a physical state of ecosystem that does not derive from living organisms. It has some properties like it is devoid of life, it's sterile. For example, in terrestrial ecosystem, temperature, light, water, energy, soil, etc. And in marine ecosystem, salinity, ocean currents, etc. Our next word is atmosphere. It is a thick envelope of solid, liquid, and gases which is associated with the gravity. Our next word is autotrophs. These are the primary producers that are basically green plants and even certain bacteria and algae. For example, blue green algae. Next word is amensalism. It is a type of biotic interaction in which one species is harmed or other species is unaffected. For example, in relationship between large tree and that shades a small plant, so the large tree will be unaffected and a small tree will be harmed. In relationship between fungus penicillium will be unaffected and bacteria will be harmed due to an antibiotic produced by penicillium. So the next word is autogenic succession. It is when succession is brought about by living inhabitants of that community by itself. For example, development of forest from bare rocks. Next is allogenic succession. It is when a change is caused by external or non biological factors. For example, events like flood, fire, or volcanic eruption can introduce new conditions for generation of new species conditions. Yes. So next word is afforestation. We are all familiar with it. It is a process of planting trees in order to form a new forest. Next is aphotic zone. Much of the Earth's ocean are devoid of light. This is aphotic zone. It begins at a depth of about 3000 feet and continues to the ocean floor. Next is algae. It is a microscopic organism that can be found naturally in coastal waters. Connectively, algal blooms. It is a rapid increase or accumulation in the population of algae in a water body, often causing a noticeable change in water color of the surrounding. Next, air pollution. We are very much familiar with this. It is the contamination of air by harmful substances that can negatively affect the health of living organisms and environment. Some causes: increasing traffic, growing cities, rapid economic development, and industrialization. Next word is acid rain. It is the rainfall that has been acidified when oxides of sulfur and nitrogen reacts with the atmosphere. For example, the first report of acid rain came from Bombay in 1974. Next word is alpha diversity. It is the diversity within a particular area or ecosystem that is expressed by species richness in that particular ecosystem. Next is angiosperms. These are simply the closed seeded plants. Next is apiculture. It is simply the maintenance of honeybee colonies by humans. Next is arboriculture. It is the cultivation, management, and study of individual trees and other woody plants. Aeroponics. It is the process of growing plants in an air or mist environment without the use of soil or any aggregate medium. Next is alley cropping. It is a system in which food crops are grown in alleys, means space between two rows formed by hedgerows of trees or shrubs. Ammonification. It is the production of ammonia as a result of biological decomposition of organic nitrogen compounds. Next, allelopathy. Refers to beneficial or harmful effects of one plant to another plant by release of chemical from plant parts like roots etc. Agenda 21. It is a comprehensive blueprint of actions to be taken globally in every area in which humans directly affect the ecosystem. Next is Aichi biodiversity targets. Next is estivization. This form of dormancy allows some animals to survive periods of high temperature or drought during the summer. Last is Alliance of Small Island States. It is a 43 member and observer states alliance. It is an ad hoc coalition for island countries. These nations are particularly vulnerable to rising sea levels and climate change.